Hey guys, Jarrett with Stackingplastic. Just want to give you guys a little tour of the print room, show you some what I'm working on right now. So as we walk into the print room, first you see got most of my partially used rolls of filament there. Always trying to burn that stuff up. Here we have my K1 Max. This printer is probably one of my fastest printers. I love it. It's enclosed, heated. I can do really a lot of different things with this. Different materials, different speeds, all that. The glass top comes off and on. I added these sliding rails here. Right now we've got 3 Dragon Dice Tower going with this Elegoo matte PLA. Inside each of the drawers, it's a little messy. I'm in the Midwest, so you always have a junk drawer somewhere. Here's where I keep all extra parts, tools, you name it. Right over here, this is going to be the CR10 SE. This printer is, imagine this printer, but not enclosed, and a little bit of different printing profile. This printer prints just as fast. Right now I've got more dice trays going. You'll see there, this is our Canadian Filaments pumpkin spice. This stuff is amazing. This whole room smells like pumpkin spice right now. Up here you can see some dice towers that we have. This is a failed helmet of mine, but I really like it. A little good vibes poster. Coming along here, I've got a security camera to kind of keep track of the room when I'm away. It's easier to see my prints and I can stop them if anything goes wrong. Right here is my first printer. This is my baby. This is my Ender 3 S1. This thing, I don't know what to say about it. Probably my best working printer. This printer has not given me any issues and it is perfectly calibrated. I really like to just run this one up when I'm needing extra pieces when everything else is going. So, but yeah, my first printer, I highly recommend. Here, I'm always having scraps or failed prints. You can see here. A lot of this is really hard to dispose of. I do recycle, but yeah, I got to keep it somewhere. Right now, I've got a stash of filament here. Always trying to get more. You know, I can usually order it and have it within 2 days. So any color you need, any type of material, I can get it. Right back here in the corner is my resin printer. I keep it in the box. I have some parts I'm waiting for them to come in, but once it comes in, I'm going to get that set up and we'll be able to do smaller scale, higher detail models and very just detailed, intricate pieces. Some used rolls of empty plastic. I go through, most of my prints go through at least one of those. So I go through a lot of plastic, you can see. This is my first ever helmet. I love this thing. Did it for Renaissance, Monty Python and the Black Knight. A little cart, just some spray paint and some more filament. Right here is one of my 2 Elegoo Neptune 4 Maxes. This one is currently getting worked on. I'm having some issues with the fans, but hope to get that resolved here within the next few weeks. Right here is going to be the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. I just picked this printer up. It is the same size as this Neptune, just by a different company. I really like this printer. Off the bat, never had any issues with it. Right now we're doing the belly kind of lower chest of a 6-foot tall Spiderman. So stay tuned for that. A little holder for the spool so I can feed into that. And then right here is my second Neptune 4 Max. So they're the same printer. This one is working flawlessly. I'm having some issues with the supports on this, but you'll see in a picture they were able to kind of fix themselves, which is great. So let's take a look. Right now this is a 1 day and 15-hour print that I am 69% through. Nice. 11 hours left on this. You see this is the side chest to Spider-Man, bringing in the shoulder and upper arm. Again, that belly right there. So coming along, this is the print room. It's very hot in here. I keep the windows open almost all the time. So that's just a little showcase of what I got going on. I have a few other printers out in the dining room, building, tinkering, you name it. Always trying to stay busy. So I think we're up to 8 printers, 8 FDM printers, and the one resin printer right over there. So hope you like it, and keep following my stuff. I'm gonna try to keep adding more content as I go. I mean, right now it is 2 a.m. in the morning, so there's a lot of work that gets done around here, and I try my best. But yeah, so look forward to talking with you guys. If you guys have any questions or anything you're interested in, please let me know. Check out my website or email me at stackingplastic.com.